Hi there. I wanted to explain what's going on here, but you guys don't live under a rock, right? You all know what AI is and witnessed how it recently became so good it basically rivaled anybody in anything. Art, music, programming, and so on. But could an AI replace me completely? Like, not only art-wise, but also when it comes to making videos. So yeah, I figured I would use the most popular AI tool, ChatGTP, and ask it to write me the script for a YouTube video. The YouTube video should be in the style of the user DrawlikeaSir, meaning it should be a tutorial on the topic of drawing. That's all the information I provided the AI with, and I am now going to record and make a video exactly how the AI scripted it. Now, this will be a very different video, but hey, it's April 1st, so I thought, why not? So I hope you guys still enjoy. Let's go. What's up, YouTube fam? It's your favorite drawing guru, DrawlikeaSir, here to drop some knowledge bombs on you. Today we are going to talk about the most important thing when it comes to drawing. Any guesses? Anyone? Böller? Böller? Who even is that? That's right, folks, it's practice. Practice makes perfect, but let's be real, none of us are perfect, so practice makes progress. When you're practicing, don't worry about the finished product. Focus on the process. Every stroke of the pen, every shade of the pencil, it's all part of this journey. And speaking of journey, let's talk about sketchbooks. Sketchbooks are like a diary for artists. You can sketch out your ideas, practice your technique, and even document your progress. But let's be honest, sketchbooks can get expensive. So if you're on a budget, just use any paper you can find. Napkins, receipts, even toilet paper. I'm not judging. I've been there. That's not even true. What the fuck? And for all of you digital artists out there, don't forget about drawing tablets. They're like sketchbooks, but with a screen and no eraser shavings. But if you're a traditionalist like me, nothing beats the feel of pen and paper. And also, let's talk about workspace. Don't worry about having the perfect setup. I mean, look at my desk. It's a disaster. Just find a spot where you're comfortable and get to work. And last but not least, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every artist has their share of failed drawings. Don't worry if your first drawings look like this. Just keep at it and eventually you'll be drawing like a I mean, like a boss. It's all part of the process. Embrace the mistakes, learn from them, and keep on drawing. That's it for today, folks. Remember, practice makes progress, sketchbooks are your friend, drawing tablets are cool too, workspace doesn't have to be perfect, and mistakes are just part of the journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.